police station, come and get me now! And tell your sister to go. I don't ever want to talk to your sister ever again.
On September 8th, 2022, an officer was dispatched in response to a reported car accident.
I was leaving here.
Were you able to get out of the store?
I think so.
It's pretty tight.
To exit, to take a left, and she just ran right in me. She was going to turn into here. Her grandmother died.
Where were you exactly?
Let's see the skid. So I'm here.
So you were right here. What happened?
And then a few months, I guess, she turned into here, and she just ran right into me. And then I ended up there.
Were you in the roadway yet or no?
No.
You were right here?
Yeah.
So you were stopped right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, so I could see take the
I got you. Can you get your driver's license real quick?
My driver's license?
Yep. And the insurance for your car? And then I'll meet up with you in a second. Just wait right over here for me, okay? Hi. Do you have your driver's license on you? And your insurance?
I want to call my dad first.
Okay, but I still need your driver's license and insurance, okay?
Why?
What
Because
happened?
that woman is going off her rocker.
What happened today?
My grandma died.
I'm sorry.
That's what happened
Today?
today.
I'm so sorry.
And I was going to this special cemetery. And that's when I got into the car accident. I think that was just the current one, Mother.
I understand, but so she's buried here. She passed away 2 days ago. So you were coming today to pay her respects, grieve, or just to visit her today.
I was coming here to pay my respects for my
understand.
grandma.
I understand that. So what happened here? How did this occur? How did the accident-
Because she was too close to my end. And when I went into there and I told, you know what, tell her to stop.
Well, she's just taking her whatever photo she needs for the insurance. Okay. So do you have a newer copy of the insurance?
What do you need right now? Okay, like seriously, what do you need?
So I
right
need your
now?
driver's license.
Okay.
So I need your driver's license. That's your registration.
Okay.
And I don't need that. I need your driver's license.
Okay.
It's right there. How much did you have to drink today?
I didn't have anything. I told my mom told me that my grandma passed away
Okay.
and that they were going to the monument.
Okay. Today? They were going to the
Yes.
monument today?
Yes. And that's why I'm so upset. So you can talk to my parents then.
I don't need to talk to your parents. I need to talk to you because you were the one involved in this accident. That's not your driver's license either, man.
Oh, my driver's license.
Yep. So how much did you drink today?
None. I did not. I have two different breathalyzer things in my car.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I do.
Where are they?
Did you not see me point to them?
Well, those are garage door openers.
Which are also breathalyzing submission.
Oh, that's cool. So she was buried today, or?
She's being buried here today, and if all of you guys are here,
What time?
I don't know.
I need your phone number, Christina.
I know, and I'm gonna call my brother-in-law, who is a 411.
He's a 411? What's a 411?
And you can tell your whomever
Mm-hmm.
for the 4th of July.
Uh-huh.
Tell him good luck. I think.
All right, Christina, I need your phone number for the report.
Yeah, and I'm gonna talk to my in private.
That's a That's not a phone. It's a hand.
I know it's a hand wet. It's still a phone. It's still a phone. Okay?
Oh,
Don't read. You know what?
Mm-hmm.
Don't ever rename me as a.
I'm not.
Yeah, you did. You said, Christina, I'm trying to.
Right,
okay?
right.
So let me.
No, you're not closing the door. So here's what's gonna happen, okay, Christina? Okay.
I can have my own.
No, not at this time.
Did he just say the popo is on its way?
No, he said 1:14:23.
Oh,
means he's here.
The popo.
Yeah.
Yeah, the popo. Guess what my brother-in-law is? A lot ahead above you.
It's good.
Yeah. So, the hell away from me. Get away from me.
Alright, Christina, can you step out of the car for me?
Yeah.
Alright. Step right back here for me, okay? You said no medication, nothing?
Shut up.
I'm on medication.
Alright. The reason I'm asking is the way you're speaking and the way you're acting, you're holding up a hand wipe as a phone. Alright? And you're telling me that you were trying to turn in here, but you went straight across this way and slammed into her.
She was intoxicated. The officer was about to conduct a simple test to confirm it.
I was here for my babshas
Right.
gravy.
Right.
And that's all I was.
Okay. What'd you take today?
I didn't take anything today, officer.
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Can you do this for me? Can you put your feet together for me just like that? You see the tip of my pen?
Yeah.
Alright. What I want you to do is I want you to stare at the tip of my pen. Alright? Using your eyes and only your
I
eyes.
can't wait for my dad to pull you over.
Perfect. So stare at the tip of my pen, okay? And what I want you to do is using your eyes and only your eyes, I want you to follow the tip of my pen. Okay? You understand?
Yes, I do. Just do it already.
I know. I gotta go through all these instructions now.
How many times are you gonna do it till you know I can do it?
It's a few times, unfortunately. I gotta go through all the steps.
And then you're gonna run into my dad. And he's gonna tell you to go.
Christina, can you
Yes.
do this for me?
I've done it!
Okay. And just hold still and just follow with your eyes.
I think you're the retarded one. Oh, I can't wait for you to meet my father.
Okay, follow the tip of the pen.
I am, you.
Alright. So next what I want you to do, alright,
Oh.
you can.
What, you want me to stand on my hand with 1, 2
No.
feet? I can't do that regardless.
No, luckily we don't have to do any handstands. So here's what I want you to do, alright?
What do you want?
Take a few steps back real quick, move back a little bit. Alright, stop right there. Alright? So keep your hands flat on your sides, heel to toe just like this. We're going to take a series of 9
I
steps.
can't do it
Are you saying you're not able to do this?
because of my back. I
not able-
have
so-
curvular
So,
back.
are you saying you physically cannot do this?
I will try, but I'm telling you, I have
Well, this
back
I know, but this is
problems.
why I'm asking you. Can you physically
And
do
you're holding me up
this? Right.
from my
So can you
grandma's funeral.
Can you physically do this? Yes or no? Christina.
3, 4, 5.
Christina, I gotta give you the rest of the directions. See? You gotta go back, okay?
You know what? I want my attorney.
Okay, stop.
Present.
Stop.
I
stop,
want.
Stop.
No, you
All right,
do
turn
not
around.
touch
Christina, turn
me.
around. Put your hands
You
behind your back.
do not touch
Turn
me.
around. Put your hands behind your back.
I want to talk to
Turn
my
around. Put your hands
attorney.
behind your back. You can call them when we get to the station. Turn around, please. Okay?
You are
Turn around.
hurting me.
Turn around. All right. You're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not. I'll do whatever test you want
It's
me
too
to.
late, Christina. All right. All right. All right.
This is absolutely ridiculous. You're hurting me.
Calm down.
You
we're
are
walking.
hurting me.
All you need to do is walk. Alright, hold on, Christina. I gotta make sure there's nothing in your pockets.
There's nothing in my pockets. You're seriously gonna make me miss my grandma's funeral? You're seriously gonna do that to me?
Alright.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Take a seat.
Okay.
She is the one whose car was hit by Christina and asked the lady if she needed help towing her car.
Are you okay with us calling you a tow for your car?
I would like to go to, I live in Gurney, but my people that fix my car live in Munley, Halensy. I don't know how to do that.
Just want to hear your end of the accident as far as what occurred. So were you leaving St. Adalbert's? Okay. Were you where this black car's at?
Yeah, well, I back further, just enough so I can see traffic. So
Sure.
I was probably back more.
Looking to make a left turn?
Correct. I had my
Okay.
direction on.
Okay.
And she just like looked at me and floored it.
Okay. And where'd she come from?
Right from there, where he's
Kind of where this Linmar? Okay.
right. And she just,
Gotcha. Okay. So she was jammed into you there. You guys were stuck together on the side there?
she was jammed.
Okay.
And then she just kept on going back and forth and went real fast back.
Finally unlodged
And then
yourself?
And then she drove here. She
Okay.
goes, well, you can drive your car. I said, I don't know. And then I looked again.
Certainly can't drive it,
No.
no. Yeah, so the front of your car was kind of in line with this, and then she came in and got it. Okay. My guess is she was trying to make a right turn and maybe got the gas and brake confused and
And she was
got into a little bit of a
like
panic.
sitting
And,
up.
yeah.
After she was taken to the station, she called her dad, screamed like crazy, and demanded that he get her out of jail like a brat.
I do not tie my gym shoes.
Okay. Careful, I want you to fall.
So,
Okay. Really quickly, I want you to take a look, make sure nothing is left in this vehicle. Alright. Confirm you didn't leave anything in this vehicle, correct?
I ain't confirming to anything.
Okay, well, if
You
anything
can't-
gets found, you get charged with it, so that's why I'm asking you.
No, my dad will be finding you.
Okay.
I did not do a field sobriety test the correct
Christina,
way.
do you want to
because
take the
you have
elevator,
to
or do
take-
you want to go up the stairs?
I'm not
Okay.
staying for the. I hope you feel good about yourself. Arresting me. And don't touch my purse like that unless you want to pay for it.
You mean putting it down?
The way you are holding it.
By the handles?
Do you want to purchase that purse? Better inside? I'm just asking.
I know, I'm letting you know. I'm answering your question in as thorough as I can.
Okay, so don't be a smart
What?
with me. Oh, you're
You
not.
have asked a lot of questions.
Oh,
and
now
I'm
you're
answering them as thorough
gonna
as I
talk
can.
to your sergeant all nicey nice
Christina.
when you've been in
I
to
need
me.
your address.
I want to talk to my father first. How about that?
Well, it doesn't work that way. All right, I'll call you back later. Christina, I need.
No, I don't care how old I am or where I live or blah, 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 blah. I want to talk to my dad, and I have that right too. Do you want a piece of my blood too?
We'll get to that. Give me a second.
I want to talk to my father,
I understand that.
and he'll tell you
will absolutely be able
to go yourself.
Okay,
Okay?
that's fine. He can do
I
that.
want to talk to my dad.
But I still have to.
It's his mom who is getting buried today.
Sorry,
How do you not have a heart?
I do.
No, you don't.
And I tried speaking to
No,
on the
you
street.
don't.
Okay,
Because of what was going on.
and I understand that.
I'm
Because
not
of the
under
press.
the influence, you.
Okay.
I want my phone
So let me explain this to you,
now.
Christina.
No, I have the right to my attorney,
Wait.
who is DeFranco.
This goes first, okay? But you understand this, correct?
Nope, I don't understand it.
Okay,
Nope.
so to put it in layman's terms for you.
No,
Alright?
I don't.
It says
Blah, 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 blah,
if you refuse to take any of these tests, okay, your
I
license is going to be
literally can't
suspended
hear
for
you.
12 months.
I
Alright?
literally cannot hear you.
Okay, well, I already read it to you.
Blah, 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 blah.
Understand these words as I have read them to you, Christina.
No, blah, 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 blah. Can I have my expensive purse back? And then you're gonna say that I'm
Christina, you have to wear the cuff. I made it loose, so it wouldn't be bothering you, but you can't rip your
really?
arm out of it. Okay?
So you want all?
Christina,
if you want,
it's being
I'll.
videotaped.
That. Do you see my cuffs that are off and now on me? I really do. I hope someone in your family dies and you can't make it. Give me my phone now.
Christina, you just sit down, please.
No, give me my phone now. I have the right to my phone. It says it right here under people arrested or retained by the popo.
Go ahead, take your time and read it, and let me know what it says, alright?
Give me my phone.
Christina.
I want my phone. Do you think I'm scared of you?
It's not about being scared. It's about me trying to get your paperwork done so you can get out of here.
What, how do you pronounce your J, your,
Jimenez.
hello?
So pronounce it like an H.
Menace, Dad. I got arrested coming to your mother's funeral. Okay? Yeah. So you tell your sister that she is not part of my family. They said that I'm under the influence. I'm at the Niles police station. Come and get me now. And tell your sister to go. I don't ever want to talk to your sister ever again. I don't care.
She faced charges for driving under the influence of alcohol, not slowing down to prevent a crash, and improper lane usage. She was eventually released on her own recognizance with an I bond.